Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily, how we can easily add clients in Basecamp. So let's start. First, what you want to do is be in your project and then click here invite some people. When you create on invite some people, you will have a green button here, add people. Click on it and you will find here the client, add a client to this project. You can, this is really important, so you can invite clients to specific projects. You can invite clients to teams. This is what Basecamp is really bad communicating, in my opinion. So when you go here in okay, this is your team of people. I know it's understandable, but I was searching here like how can I add also to my team the client, because the client will be seeing what the team is doing and I want him to see what he's doing. But in Basecamp they were smart. So right now, when you create a project and you're gonna create a project called, let's name this, I would just rename it, let's say, website jewelry, right? That we have a project on website jewelry. And right now, when I'm going to open it and I will go to invite some people, right here, it's really logical to add a client to this project. So working with clients, Basecamp gives you control what which clients project with company jewelry. Okay, and now who are you working with from jewelry? Name, email, title. Then you just add a personal note to the invitation email, and then you can just easily preview and send the email. So when you preview it, you are seeing what the guy or girl is going to get, and then they can accept the invitation. So, and then you just send it. It's quite simple. So this is how we can add clients in Basecamp. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can support and subscribe, you know how it goes. So thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.